Hi, my name is Christina from the CNM Cosmetology program, and today I'm going to show you how to straighten your hair with a flat iron. To start with, you're going to need clean, dried hair. Make sure you put mousse or gel in the hair before you dry it. I'm going to section out the hair, and now I'm going to take a diagonal parting in the back. And the reason we use clips and we take partings is because we want to have control of the hair. You still want to have movement in the hair. So go ahead and spray your hair about 10 inches away with thermal setting spray. Comb through the hair. You're going to place your comb in the hair and then place your flat iron above the comb and slowly smooth the hair. Work your way up the head. Spraying with thermal setting spray. Lightly. The reason we take thin partings is because it smooths out the hair faster and it lasts a lot longer. When you straighten your hair, you can wear this style for up to 3 days, maybe even a week. And what you do in between those wash days is you can use dry shampoo as well. And what dry shampoo does is it absorbs the moisture in your hair. So when I take thin partings like this, I call this skinnying up the hair. You want to skinny up the hair. Make sure that you can see right through the partings and that the partings are paper thin. Make sure not to put the iron too high. 400 is definitely too high. So I would say between 270, maybe 300 temperature to avoid burning the hair. Also make sure that you don't hold the iron on the hair too long, that you smooth it down. You take your time, but you don't hold it on there for, I would say, not more than 10 seconds. Once you're done with the back, you can move on to the front. And last, I'm going to finish with her fringe area. And that concludes the how to straighten your hair with a flat iron. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in the cosmetology program, please check us out at CNM.edu.